How to fix iPhone stuck on verifying update. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. Press and hold the volume down key, likewise power key. With that, your phone will shut down. Once you turn off your phone, click on the power button and then restart it. With this, your issue might be resolved. Next, check your internet connection. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi or cellular data. Likewise, you can give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Heading towards next solution, launch your settings app. Then navigate to the option General, click on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. Likewise, from here you have to delete the update. Click on the update option and then delete it. Then you can head back and try updating again. If this solution doesn't work, reset your network settings. For that, navigate to General, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and select the option of Reset Network Settings. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iOS 17 or 18 iPhone stock on verifying update. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.